Alam nyo ba na in demand ang mga teachers dito sa New Zealand ngayon? So ayun, what's up mga master? Sana All TV nga pala ang vlogger-vloggeran dito sa New Zealand. Tama yung narinig nyo mga master, na in demand talaga ngayon ang mga teacher dito sa New Zealand. Alam nyo ba na yung mga secondary teacher ay pwede na mag-apply ng direct to residency? Yes, ang ibig sabihin nun, pwede kayo mag-apply ng residency na agad kung kayo ay mga secondary teacher at maipasa nyo yung mga hinihingi nilang requirements. At yung mga primary teacher naman, pwede yun na work to residency. Ibig sabihin nun, pwede kayong mag-apply ng residency kapag nakapagtrabaho kayo ng at least 2 years dito at naipasa nyo yung mga requirements na hinihingi nila. O diba? Napakaganda ng opportunity dito sa New Zealand para sa mga teacher. Kung ikaw ay primary teacher, work to residency. So ibig sabihin nun, after 2 years, pwede ka na mag-apply ng residency. Residente ka na ng New Zealand. At kung ikaw naman ay isang secondary teacher, automatic, pwede kang mag-apply ng direct residency. Residente ka na agad ng New Zealand. Ganun kalupit mga master. Heto na yung tanong mga master, paano nga ba mag-apply ng teacher papunta dito sa New Zealand? Primary teacher man or secondary teacher? So sa video na ito mga master ay isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-DIY. Opo, DIY. DIY itong application na ito mga master. Prove and tested ito. Anyway, gusto ko lang munang i-shoutout si Mangyan New Zealand Hiring dahil sa kanya ko nakita ang job postings na ito at ginawan ko lamang ng content. And of course, special shout out to Sir Paulo Alboro ng Auckland, New Zealand. So, isa po siyang teacher dito sa New Zealand at nagsishare lamang po siya ng kanyang naging experience. Yes po, siya po yung nagbigay ng tips ng mga guide kung paano yung pwede nyong gawin na DIY step by step ng application para sa mga teacher papunta dito sa New Zealand. So, mabuhay ka, Sir Paulo! Teach in New Zealand as an overseas trained Pinoy teacher. Ito po yung mga direct application guide mga master. Sana makatulong ang videos na ito para sa inyo at gusto ko lang magpasalamat ulit kay Sir Paulo Alboro sa pag-share niya ng guide na ito. So ayun, let's get it on! So ito yung step number 1 mga master, International Qualifications Assessment or Teaching IQA. So apply for an International Qualification Assessment with NZQA. Teaching IQA. Prepared color scans of your teaching education credentials, TOR and diploma of all qualifications. Check the websites for process, updates, fees, and turnaround times. Your bachelor degree must meet the core requirements of an initial New Zealand teacher education qualification level 7. If not, you can option to apply under discretionary pathway level 6. So ito yung step 1 mga master. At sa step 2 naman, ang language competency requirements. So teaching requires a high standard of English language competency in English, writing, reading, and listening. There is a list of evidence demonstrate English language competency. Person test of English PTE, academic, and IELTS are the most common. Please see the website for the complete list. So PTE 65 score in all 4 components and overall mark. IELTS 7.0 all bands and overall mark. The test outcome in the test options must due with the past 2 years. Ito yung number 2 na step master. At ang step number 3 is New Zealand Teacher Registration and Provisional Practicing Certificate. Apply for Teaching Registration and Provisional Practicing Certificate. Comply satisfactorily trained to teach requirements for Deaf Ed Teachers COT, CO Notes, IPCRF Summary, Reference Letters, IPBT-TIP Certificate, Service Record PRCID, List of Trainings Attended, Narrative Report of your undergrad practicum. Please see the website for detailed information on requirements and fees. At ang step number 4 mga master, ito na yung job hunt. Yung magja-job hunt na kayo. Apply for teaching position in New Zealand Gazette. Pwede kayong mag-search sa Indeed or seek.co.nz. Dahil nga in demand ang mga teachers dito sa New Zealand, napakarami ng mga job hirings na makikita nyo regarding sa teaching position. Prepare a page of CV or cover letter and attach your New Zealand Practicing Certificate. Make sure the school or ECE center is an accredited employer. So, pag nag-job hunt kayo sa seek.co.nz or TradeMe or Indeed, dapat make sure nyo lang na accredited yung employer na a-applyan nyo. get that job offer. So ayun, mag-apply kayo at bibigyan nila kayo ng job offer kung qualified kayo sa posisyon na ina-applyan nyo bilang teacher. At kapag meron na kayong employer, dito na papasok ang visa application. Yes mga master, apply for accredited employer work visa using the job token from your employer. So bibigyan ka nito ni employer ng job token or depende sa agreement na mangyayari. Pwedeng sila yung mag-process, tulungan kanila. A full medical exam also is required. See the list of accredited hospital and labs. Police check for PH applicants is NBI clearance. So, see link for immigration requirements and fees. At malapit na tayo sa exciting part. Step number 6, POLO verification. Your job offer must be verified by the Philippine Overseas Labor Office or POLO, which is located in Wellington, New Zealand. This is a requirement for phase 1 of OEC application with the Philippine DMW. This is an employer-initiated process. Comply the all paperworks needed. So tutulungan ka naman ni employer dito. Usually tinutulungan talaga ng mga employer. See link for the complete requirements process for turnaround times. At kapag umabot ka na sa final and last step, so, congratulations! See you in New Zealand, Master. So, ayun, travel exit clearance. Ito yung final and last step. Apply for Overseas Employment Certificate or OEC from the Department of Migrant Workers or POEA. So, make an online account and comply with the requirements and fees. Attend the OWA PIDOS training. Then the last, fly ka na. See you dito sa New Zealand. So, ito yung step by step na guide para sa mga gustong mag-DIY ng pag-a-apply ng teachers dito sa New Zealand. So, sana makatulong ang mga videos na ganito, Master. I-share nyo ito sa mga kakilala nyo, mga kaibigan nyo, mga kamag-anak nyo na mga teachers na gusto rin makapagtrabaho, makapunta at makapagtrabaho dito sa New Zealand. At the same time, manirahan dito sa New Zealand. So, ayun, good luck mga Master. God bless you all. Lagi kong pinapaalala sa inyo na huwag kayo sa akin mag-apply dahil isa lamang akong gabay. Sana All TV New Zealand, laang vlogger-vloggeran dito sa New Zealand, laging proud Pinoy at laging pusong Pinoy.